Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you're new, then I am Pooja Nanda. I make videos on makeup and skincare. So if you're interested, then do subscribe, hit the notification bell and also follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video, I'm going to share my personal experience with this bridal glow facial kit. This is the first time I used it. This is from the brand Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic. I just found it on Nykaa, so thought to give it a try because I wanted that instant glow. It also comes with the instruction manual which is there in the box, and there is 7 steps to it. So first step is cleansing. I am taking the sachet, opening it and going to use the product or the cleanser on my face, massage it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I have done all the steps as written in the manual or on the pouch, and that's how I knew how to use it. Then I went and wiped my face with a warm damp towel. It felt really relaxing and nice, and I had a pimple, so I was very careful with it. I was not being very harsh on it. So then I went and used second sachet, that was step 2. It was an exfoliating gel. Initially I thought it will irritate my skin, but girls, I was wrong. Once I applied it on my skin, it felt very cooling and it gave me tingling sensation, but it was not too much, so I went ahead and exfoliated my skin really gently. It was an enzyme mask, so that's the reason it was not harsh on my skin, but enzyme mask always leaves such a particle which is really satisfying. I feel like all the gunk is coming out of my face and the feeling is very nice. You can just try this enzyme mask and you will get to know what I am just saying it. So I massaged my skin really well and wiped it off, and I felt that all the gunk from my face has been removed out. And then I went ahead for step 3, that was serum. It was really hydrating. It came in such a glass bottle. I need to break the bottle and use it. The bottle is really safe. These kind of bottles were used in medicals or the hospitals, even they use it now, but that's how this bottle looks like, so it is totally safe to use at the end. And then I used the serum. I felt really smooth, nice and hydrating. I absolutely enjoyed doing this step. From all the 7 steps, this was my favorite step to do. It was really smooth on my skin, and I massaged my face for at least 3 minutes and let it sink into my skin for more 5 minutes, and after that I went ahead and used 4th sachet, that was step 4, and it is nourishing cream. And the fragrance of this is, oh my god, it was so soothing and spa like. I really enjoyed using this after the serum, and I massaged it on my face for at least 4 to 5 minutes or until it all sinked into my skin. I felt really relaxing after using this. It also hydrated my skin really well, but massaging cream was super light. I have an oily face. I thought that it should not give me any breakout, but thank god it didn't give me any breakout. I massaged it really well. It sinked into my skin, and then I sprayed some rose water and just wiped all the excess that I had on my face, and I moved for step 5 and 6. So according to the manual, I need to mix sachet 5 and 6. Sachet 5 was a face pack and sachet 6 was an gel. I need to mix it and use it as a face mask. So technically it is just 6 steps, but the sachets was 7 due to this 2-step of mixing face pack. I mixed it together and applied it onto my face. I let it dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until it was completely dry on my skin, and then I washed my face, then I wiped it. So this mask felt really nice. It was not so drying on my face. It hydrated my face really well. So it was a glow mask. You can't expect all that mattifying effect on your skin. It will definitely give you a dewy feel or a dewy look and glowy look to your skin. That's the reason all the steps that this facial kit had was hydrating hydrating and not mattifying or deeply cleansing. So keep that in mind. If your skin concern is not glow and purification or detoxification, just choose some other mask and not this one. But I always like my skin very dewy and glowing, so I use this. So as I said, once the mask is dry, I wiped it and then I went for next step. So the next and last step, step 7, was sunscreen. I was really shocked. I initially thought that it must be a moisturizer, but no girls, it is sunscreen. So I really like this part that they included sunscreen because it is really mandatory in your morning skincare routine as it protects your skin. So a thumbs up from my side. I really like this kit. It gave me such a glowing skin, and next day my skin was super glowing and dewy. The glow was there for at least 8 to 10 days. So I think this is a really good facial kit and I will definitely try it out again in future. So that's it for today's video. I hope you loved it. If you did, then do like and subscribe to my channel, share it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, be safe. I love you all. Bye.